Namaste, welcome to Zudella. In this video, we'll learn how I observe any chart and how I analyze them for weekly breakouts and take trades based on price action. So the chart time frame I use is weekly, and stock I have selected for today is VGUARD Industries. So the as you can see, there is nothing marked on the chart as of now, but there is a clear breakout here, and why I feel that the stock is good for an entry at this particular time, and even I have taken the trade. So the logic is, if you just see the price levels from where the stock was getting rejected, you can clearly see that from this level for the past 3 years, since 2017, sorry, 4 years, it was coming to 245 to 250 levels and getting rejected. Again, after the surge, the stock came to same level, got rejected here. Again, it came, and from here, it started a downturn. But what you can see is, post the COVID fall, the stock was, as all the stocks were in good surge, the stock made higher high and higher low and started, but there was a good consolidation before the breakout, and finally the breakout came in. So just this is one of the system I trade personally for myself, and the kind of trades I take is I buy stock at the highest price, meaning I buy only all-time high stocks and take a trade in them because I believe that the momentum which comes at all-time high is the highest. So I will mark, like, just basically, we first what I do is I mark the price area where the stock was getting rejected, where the stock was taking support. So you can easily see the stock was getting rejected here. So we can see it as a resistance in price action. Basically, at any level where the stock faces some supply, we call it the resistance. And resistance is not a single price area; it can be a range also. Like from 250 to 255 was the resistance area. The same thing happened in 2019 also, and you can see that the same resistance happened here also. So you can inside, if we see it, this whole range from here to here, we can say that it is also a range and it is a range breakout, an all-time high. So I personally like this kind of trade, and we can see that this is a breakout, or maybe should I call it the all-time high breakout. So generally, I don't buy any stock which gives a breakout. For example, in life also, your goal is not important, your journey to the goal is important. That same way, if there's any stock is giving, many stocks will be giving breakout now, but how the stock goes to the breakout is an important journey, because you can see that the stock was going up, coming down, and when it approached the level of 250 in a single-handedly, it didn't cross it. For at most 4 months it got consolidated. So if I mark that also, you can see that this was the consolidation, and if there is a good tight consolidation before the breakout, this shows that there was a war between the bulls and the bears, and finally the bulls win. So any consolidation before the breakout is a good sign for the trade. This I look for in a trade: consolidation prior to breakout, which provides a good structure to the chart. And since, let's say, we are seeing the weekly chart, so we have to wait for the weekly closing, because this stock might have given the breakout on Wednesday also, or maybe Thursday also. But if you are observing a stock on a weekly time frame, you have to wait till Friday, let the candle close itself at 325, and then you have to take it. For example, let's say we are taking a trade here. So our stop loss will be the swing low or the support before the swing. The stock got support here, so I will take this as the stop loss, and even if I go wrong, I will exit it from if the stock goes below this on a weekly time frame chart. So this is how I analyze any stock, and we also take position as per the support. Let's say my support or my stop loss is 220 or 215 for time being. So if I risk 50 points in this trade, I should make sure that the number of share I am buying should not exceed more than 1% of my capital, in such a way that even if my trade goes wrong, I should not lose more than 1% of my capital. Thank you for watching. If you like it, share your views in the comment section.